Welcome back to another media review. Today we're actually looking at a cleaning mat or a surface protector. Uh, this is a type of rubberized material that helps being non-slip, and we have a smooth top surface that's has a little bit of give, so this is kind of a padded cleaning mat. And this one also just happens to have a printed schematic with some historical data as well. So this happens to be on the Beretta 92 series. So here again, we can see a diagram with the separated parts. I'm not going to use the E word just in case that triggers anything. That itself also being another type of word, but you can see here various numerals associated with each piece, and then the associated descriptions with each numbered item. If we take a little closer look here, we can see a little bit of data on production history, place of origin, manufacturer, production at the time this was made. It was 1975 to present day. Some specifications on some of the models, and then a little bit of the evolutionary history there. And again, this series of items has gone through even further evolution since this mat was obtained. So those who are curious, feel free to research current product offerings from Beretta, as well as whatever items are available in the 92 series. This has been another media review. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.